Hi Noah, how are you? My name is Bimpe, and today I'll be reading to you about the earth. I wonder what you know about the earth. The earth is a very beautiful place. I think the earth is awesome with lots of flowers, lots of good people, lots of plants, lots of beautiful animals. Today, we're going to learn a little bit more about the earth, and I hope you have fun listening. Okay, Noah, here we go. What do we know about the earth? We know a lot. We know that earth is a planet in space. The earth moves around the sun. Wow, isn't that awesome? Now tell me, Noah, what do you know about the earth? Anything at all? We know the earth has land. The land has mountains, valleys, and plains. So what's a mountain? A mountain is like a higher level of land. So typically a mountain is high up towards the sky. We also have the valleys, which are the lower levels. Isn't that beautiful? Like just imagine having mountains and valleys going up and down, up and down. We also have forests. We have deserts and we have grasslands. Do you know what a forest is, Noah? Forest has lots of trees, lots of plants, densely populated, very dense, and lots of nice, beautiful animals. We also have deserts, which are dry lands, no water, no trees, and we have grasslands, which are areas that are just filled with grass. That's just a little about the things we have on the earth. We also know that the earth has water. Can you swim, Noah? Have you gone to the beach recently? Have you seen the sea? The earth has water. The water flows in oceans, in lakes, and rivers. Can you tell me an example of an ocean? We have the Atlantic Ocean. We have the Pacific Ocean. Have you heard of those places before? We also have lakes and we have rivers. Do you have any lakes or rivers around you where you stay? The water is also home to different plants and animals. Can you tell me an example of an animal that lives in water? Yeah, there's so many different animals. We have seals, we have whales, you have fish, and other type of animals. We know that Earth has air. Air is so important. Without air, you cannot breathe and you cannot live. The air keeps the Earth from getting too hot or too cold to live in. The air also moves and makes our weather. So, what do you think the weather is? It's a prolonged way, it's a prolonged state of the earth. So, for example, you can say, how's the weather today? You can say it's quite hot or it's cold. Like now we're in like spring, summer, and typically we expect that it will typically be like warm and a little hot at times. So that's the weather. We know that the earth has living things. What's an example of a living thing? You have the humans like you and me. We have animals, things that breathe, things that live, things that can eat, can feel. Those are things that are living. We also know that the Earth is the only planet that we know of that has living things on it. Plants and animals need Earth's water, land, and air to live. Wow, isn't that wonderful? Look at those animals. They need water, they need land, they need air, they need food to live. We don't know everything about the Earth. We're still exploring the Earth's land. So there's so many places that people have not yet gone to know, that people are still trying to understand, trying to explore. There's so many seas, so many rivers that people are still exploring, people are still discovering, and even the air. So what part of the earth would you like to explore, Noah? Would you like to explore different lands in different places? Or would you like to go to different oceans and see what's going on there? I hope you enjoyed this story. Thank you.